Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Binance wallet address. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Simply select it. Then here you can find the Binance wallet option. Simply go ahead and tap on it. After that, here you can find add funds right here. Now simply tap on it. Then tap on to receive tokens via address right here. Now here you can find your Binance wallet address. Now you can check it just like this. There are many options of your wallet address. Tap on it and check it that you want to check. And that's it. This is how you can check your Binance wallet address. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.